Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is full adder using half adder and half adder using NAND gate. I will explain both of the topic in this lecture. So first of all I will talk about full adder using half adder. So half adder is basically 2-bit input and output is sum and carry, and a full adder is 3-bit input and sum and carry. So we will make a full adder by using half adders. So half adder is A XOR B and carry is A into B, and full adder sum for full adder is A XOR B XOR C, the XOR between 3 inputs, and sum carry is A B B C plus C A. Now in first half adder, A, B, 2 inputs are there, sum and carry. Let's suppose first half adder is S0 and C0. So S0 will be, S0 will be A bar B because it is. Now C0 will be A dot B because of this. Now let's suppose we do one half adder, we add one half adder extra. So half adder input is, one input is sum of another input. This is sum of first half adder, and another input is third input, that is C. So output of sum S1 will be, you can write it here also, S1 will be here, S1 will be like S0, that is the output of first half adder, S0 XOR C. So S0 is A bar, A XOR B and XOR C. That is the output of full adder. So here it is proved. Now what about carry? Carry is, C1 is A XOR B and C, because output of carry is A dot B. Here A is sum S0 and carry is C. Second input is C. So A naught B naught C. So here will be A dot B plus A B bar dot C. So it will be A B bar C plus A bar B C by distributive theory. Now what we do, let's suppose we do sum carry C0 and C1 or operation between them. So let's we do OR operation between them. So when OR operation will be do, C1 is A B bar C plus A bar B C, that is C1. You can check here. Now for C0 is plus A B bar, A B, sorry. So when we make K map here, let's suppose we make K map here, the two variables are here and one variable is there. So this is 3 variable K map. Now we will make 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So how can we make the K map here? You can check. First is A B bar C. So A B bar C here first. Second is A bar B C. A bar B C here. Now third one is AB. So how can we make AB where C is eliminated? So C, where we can see elimination is there, and A1. So here you can check. There B is 1, A is 1 and C is eliminated. So we can write 2 ones here. So when we make grouping, this is grouping. Now the answer will be here. You can check. The answer will be, you can solve this also, but it will give you more, it will take extra time. So we make a K map and then answer. Here will be A and here to here you can check C, plus here to here A is gone and only BC, plus here to here A and B. So you can check AB plus BC plus CA. This is the output of carry of full subtractor. Okay. Now you can check here A, B, B, C, C, A. So it is an answer of full subtractor. So the final will be make like half adder 1, half adder 1, A, B. This is S naught and C naught. Now second half adder is there. Okay, second half adder is there. The sum is given to his, and another input is given to this C, and output is sum 1. You can say sum 1, that will be A bar, B bar, C. Now C naught and this carry C1 will be or than carry is AB plus BC plus CA. That is the answer of full adder. So it is a full adder by using two half adder. So we need two half adder to make a full adder. Now I will explain how to make half adder by using NAND gate. As my previous video I have explained that NAND gate is a universal gate. So we can make any gate from the NAND gate. So we will explain here how to make a half adder by using NAND gate. So first we should write a equation of half adder. Half adder is sum, carry, and here A and B. This is our equation for half adder. Now we will make using XOR gate, NOR gate. So sum is A XOR B, and it is A dot B. So in my previous videos where I have explained you how to make XOR using NAND gate. So here you can make XOR gate using NAND gate. That will the answer of half adder using NAND gate. Now how can we make? Here is A input 1 and B. Now that is given to a NAND gate like this, and one NAND gate is given to like this, two input like this. Now I have already explained this in my universal gate lecture series. So you can go and check whether it is, how can we do that. So I have give you brief idea here. So it will be your answer. You can check, this is your A and this is your A dot B bar because it is NAND gate. Now it is B and it is your A dot B bar. It will be your A dot B bar ka whole bar, and it will be your B dot A dot B ka whole bar. It can be your A bar plus AB. By distributive law, it will be A bar plus B, and this will be B bar plus A by distributive law. Now this can be going through this, so it will be A bar plus B and B bar plus A ka whole bar. When you solve this, you can get A XOR B. This is the answer of half adder. Now what about the half adder's carry? This will be your sum. Okay, this will be your sum. Now what about carry? Carry is made by A dot B. So AND gate using NAND gate. You can check how I can make AND gate using NAND gate. So this will be your carry. Carry is A dot B. How can we? Yeah, this is will be A dot B bar, and it will go through the NAND gate A dot B double bar, that is A dot B. That is the answer of carry in a half adder. So this is how can we make half adder using NAND gate. I have explained earlier that NAND gate is a universal gate. So we can make any gate using NAND gate. So this is our answer. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will upload more videos, maximum videos as soon as possible. Thank you. Good day and take care.